How to read and write any file with Python 3? I need to read, write and create an any file with Python 3. File.ini. Python file. Updated file.ini.
This can be something to start with. You can find more at the official config parser documentation.
Here's a complete read, update and write example. Input file, test.ini. Working code. Output file, test_update.ini. The original input file remains untouched.
This URL. Python's standard library might be helpful in this case.
The standard config parser normally requires access via config section_name key, which is no fun. A little modification can deliver attribute access. Attribute is a class derived from dict which allows access via both dictionary keys and attribute access. That means a.x is a x. We can use this class in config parser. And now we get application.ini with as